Let's build a DIY Arduino RC truck like this. Complete step-by-step tutorial. Link to purchase complete same kit is in the description. We need a motor driver shield and Arduino, a Bluetooth module, 4 DC motors, this beautiful truck chassis. We need some bolts, 4 wheels, a battery, a screwdriver. Let's start with attaching our first motor onto the chassis. This is exactly how you can easily attach motor here and add a bolt from holes like this. Similarly, attach other motors like this. Connect motor driver shield and Arduino together like this. Add a bolt from roof of chassis down there. Insert a plastic insulation for circuit. Place the circuit and add its bolts. Connect motor wires like this diagram with motor driver shield like this. All wires are connected and robot is almost ready. Now just add Bluetooth module. You have these pins on top of motor driver shield where you can connect your module. Circuit diagram and code is available in description. Paste Bluetooth here with a tape. Now attach wheels with motors. And the beautiful RC truck is ready. You can place the battery wherever you want and connect it with Arduino power jack like this. Attach Arduino cable to upload the code. Code is available in description. You might have to set pin config. You need to support battery with something to keep it in place. Now let's check our project by connecting it with mobile phone. Detailed tutorial about Bluetooth pairing is available on channel. Look how amazing this is. Thank you for watching. For more interesting tutorials, follow Robotube Pakistan. Comment down below if you have any confusions.